How's it, guys? Today we have from Diode Dynamics the Stage Series hitch mount. It functions as a fourth brake light and a reverse light. And we got the product right here. I'm gonna unbox it for you. See the packaging here, you just lift it out. Then here's the product itself. And then we also have the included harness. It goes into your trailer brake harness, and then there's also an extension so you can still use your trailer brake as normal. They also provide zip ties to hide your wiring, and there's also some instructions here, and they also include a couple stickers. So we have the product here, and then just for install, we're gonna come down here to the trailer hitch, and it just goes in like this, and it'll click into place. That's how you know it's installed right. So you're gonna come down here and remove your trailer brake harness. It should remove with this clip on the top. You're just gonna push it down, and then you're gonna install the provided harness here. You'll hear a click, that's when you know it's in, and then you're gonna reinstall this so you can still use it if you wanna opt to use a trailer brake as well. And it will just click into place. So you'll notice we have the light installed, and it's currently with the low beam on, so you'll see it runs like a fourth brake light. And then when we throw the truck into reverse, you'll see it turns white.